lower deck, which is where most of the action happens. It's where the crew brings the fish on board once they're in the net. The lower deck also holds one speedboat, a skiff boat, and the net, which is underneath a red cover here. I have the mid deck, which holds two more speedboats, controls for the cranes, and a bunch of supplies such as salt for the fish holds or materials to make pile, aka rafts. After that, you have the upper deck, which is where the bridge is, as well as our parts room for the helicopter. And then finally, all the way up top is the heli deck.
So makikita nyo na yan, speed nababa from the vessel. Kasi may kwento ni Nako sa hearing na from Little White Boat. Okay, sorry. Good. From the Little White Boat, sila ay nag-transfer sa fishing vessel. So that could be the scenario na kasi nung una nagdududa ako na paano lilipat ang isang speedboat pasahero sa speedboat o maliit na bangka papunta sa malaking fishing vessel. So pwede yun. From a speedboat, tapos meron yung crane, nakita naman natin, iangat lang papunta sa loob ng barko. Kasi nagdududa ako noon, maalon paano sasampa yung isang pasahero sa maliit na speedboat going to a big fishing vessel. So ito naman another scenario. So helicopter. Yeah. So maraming pamamaraan na para makatakas yung mga taong gustong tumakas ng bansa for one reason or another. And dito, kailangan natin palakasin ang trabaho ng ating mga Coast Guard, Marina, sa nakita naman natin kanina. Now, nandito ba natin Philippine Coast Guard? Good afternoon, sir. Your Captain Oliver Estancico. Okay. Doon sa nakita mong video, Captain Tanseco, yan ba ay may idea na kayo na ginagamit ng mga taong patakas? Yan yung pwedeng ginamit nila para makalabas ng bansa. Are you aware of that scenarios?
Thank you, Senator Tulfo, sir. Attorney Tanseco po, IDMS, Philippine Coast Guard.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Doon po sa pinakita mo, that's a typical tuna fishing vessel po. Medyo may kalakihan po siya. Yung nakita mo po na binababa yung kanyang speedboat, pwede po yun. Ang hindi ko
Pwedeng
lang po,
ibaba, pwedeng
itaas po.
itaas.
That's normally how you launch a smaller boat to service your bigger boat. The only problem with that, Your Honor, is that when we do that, that's unsafe. So normally, you don't put people on board a small yacht during hoisting because these are basically just crane, a small hook holding the weight of the vessel while it's being hoisted. Now, can that be done to transfer people? Yes, but very seldom because it's unsafe. What we normally do, even if it's a big vessel, if you have a small boat, you want to bring people on board a bigger boat, like the case of statement of Sheila Guo. She said they were able to get on board a big white boat with nets from a small boat. We can do that, Your Honor, because normally even at sea, what the pilot or the master of the big vessel will do is to give the leeway side. Meaning, pag maalon po, the side that is the leeway, meaning against the current, will be provided for the small boat. Then there'll be, if it's a big vessel, there'll be gangway just above the level of the water, or maybe a pilot ladder for them to come on board. That's normally the practice, Your Honor. Your next question is, are we aware of this one? Yes, it's a possibility, Your Honor. That's why we have, since the last investigation, we have beefed up our measures to strengthen